Okay, problem number 10. Again, quadratic. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to solve this thing. Let's see here. We already have it set equal to 0, so we're good there. The next thing that we want to do for number 10 is we want to use one of the following. We want to either factor, complete the square, or use the quadratic formula. In this particular case, I don't really want to complete the square because then I've got to divide by 2. And because when you complete the square, you can take the linear term divided by 2, so I'd have 7 over 2. And I just really don't want to deal with fractions if I don't have to. So I'm going to go to the quadratic formula because I don't think this guy is going to factor out nicely. In fact, I'm positive it's not going to. Okay, so quadratic formula, identify A, identify B, and identify C. Whoops, positive 7. Let me just erase that. If you're, if you feel like I just kind of jumped through all that real fast, that's because in the last couple videos I went over specifically how to. So if you're watching the videos in order, it's all going to make sense why I kind of moved past that a little bit quicker. If you need extra help, go back and watch videos like 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and plug these into the quadratic equation. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a, like that. Okay, so we need to go ahead and do some simplification here on the inside. So we've got negative 7 plus or minus the square root. We've got 49. It's going to be plus because I've got 2 negatives. So 49 plus 12 over 2. So 49 plus 12, well, that's 59 plus 2 is 61, I believe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, the next step is to make sure that this square root piece right here, the square root of 61, doesn't break down. And by breakdown, I mean it doesn't have a perfect square in it. So I'm looking to see, is 61 divisible by any of the perfect squares? Well, it's not divisible by 4 because it's not even. It is not divisible by 9 because the numbers don't add up to be something that's divisible by 9. And really, after that, clearly it's not divisible by 16 or 25 or 36. Okay, we're done. So we know that we're just going to leave it at that. So our two solutions are going to be negative 7 minus the square root of 61 over 2 and negative 7 plus the square root of 61 over 2.